This is the before of our bathroom redo. We're taking these shelves apart to make them look better.
When they did this, they just took this wall apart. This is literally the sheetrock
The back side of the sheetrock from
in
the
my
bedroom.
room, right?
And so here's a couple of the shelves that he took out and the contact paper. The paint right off the wall in big chunks. Crazy. This is how the room is looking with the primer on it. For some reason these shelves can't come out, but those did, so that's good. And then we have this. Making some progress. He's got one door on each cabinet, and these are my cute little new knobs. Aren't they cute little flowers? And then most of the paint is dry. I see a couple of spots where you might need to do a touch-up, but for the most part, everything is painted. So we have the cabinet doors in, but this one and this one got put, or this one got put in the wrong spot, so we have to switch them around. And there's what that looks like. Still has to put the edges on these. We have that. And then we have this. We're going to put just a long piece of like linoleum down because these tiles are really cute, but after about 2 years the glue started wearing out and they moved around. Toilet's still in. We're keeping the toilet, but we're getting a new vanity that's much bigger. That's actually, I think, more than twice as big as the old one. Did I have that running?
What?
Nothing.
Oh.
What a mess. So this is what our bathroom is looking like so far. We have everything installed. All the doors are back on. The little trim pieces are on the edges of the shelves. The trims on the floor. And then I put toilet bowl brush, the garbage can, some towels and rags and bags in underneath the sink. Before we had like plastic containers. Now this weird little mirror we'll be replacing. I ordered a new medicine cabinet from Lowe's, but I think there's a problem with our order, so we're probably going to have to get a different one. But this is just somebody, before we moved in, took this off the top of a vanity and used it as the mirror. So that's it. I put the towels in there. This one has these on too. So that's it for now, and when I get all the final little finishing touches, we'll do another final reveal. So here is the completed bathroom frugal, inexpensive, cheap, well, not really cheap, makeover. We have the cabinets, same doors, just tried to paint over them, put new knobs. I have all our stuff in there, and put the towels in the basket, rolled up nice. And then over here we got some little switch covers on Etsy. So that's there. That was always there. That was always there. The only thing we changed was the floor, the light, the medicine cabinet, and the vanity is much larger. Before I had a small one that was just a sink. I think I showed it to you. I don't remember if I did or not, but and then I had like plastic drawers on each side. So this has eliminated my need for plastic drawers on the side, and I can put all this stuff on the inside. Rags and bags and just, you know, unsightly things. And then we have a new shower curtain. The bathtub is still the same as it always was. It's not in bad condition. Nothing was really, oh, we put a new floor in. Nothing was in bad condition, but, you know, we just wanted to improve upon it a little. I would say all in all, this, what we did, what little we did, new floor, I don't know if I mentioned. New toilet we put in actually a couple years ago. This whole thing cost about $800. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you again in the next one. Hope you're doing well and that you're happy and healthy. Bye-bye.